don't end up together, I'm gonna lose my mind. And if this life really does go on forever, I know I choose you every time. You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I
Morning guys! Okay, ayun na. So we are now heading out. Pwede na kami maglakwatsa. Natapos ko yung vlog for day 1. Medyo nag-i-ease in pa kasi syempre hindi man ako sanay sa ganito na daily vlog. Parang 3 years ago yung huli kong daily vlog. Dito naman sa Korea, we use Uber. Pero then, Kakao Taxi. Pero ako, sa Uber ako sanay. Grabe, I was able to move in 30 minutes, makeup, nakapagkulot, because we are heading to a cafe. And as usual, sabay-sabay na to. Magka-cafe kami, pero may ka-meeting kami. One of our suppliers, tapos, ang ganda rin ng cafe na yun. Meron kasi siyang artificial falls. Sakit sa tenga. Kasi kasama natin si Alexei. Hindi kami nakakapag-cafe hopping. Kasi syempre, diba, Diyos ko, sama ko pa ba naman yung bata sa pagka-cafe hopping ko. Parang may mga naka-long padding na din, katulad nung sa amin. Pero, di pa ganun karami. Iba maninipis pa yung jacket. Kasi simula lang kasi ng winter. Meron na? Saan ba? Pag ganito, pag ganun?
Pag ganito, syempre.
Kakababa lang namin. Ayan yan, man-made falls daw yan. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok kasi nga, wala na kaming mapuntahan ni Jello. Hinahanap ni Jello yung mga kausap namin. Kasi feeling ko nagawa naman na namin yung mga gustong gawin. Sarap ng ano nila eh, upo nila. Nakita na ni Jello yung kausap namin, nandito daw. Ganda, mamaya puntahan natin. Tapos sila namin yung meeting. Nag-uunahan sila kung sino magbabayad. Nandun sila nag-order sa counter. But merong indoors and then merong outdoors. Pero sabi namin, try namin yung outdoors. Ayan sila, kita nyo ba? Ayaw magpatalo yan. Daan na guys ang ating meeting. But before we book, we shall go down first dito sa walking area nila to see the man-made falls. Ang saya lang kasi pwede namin pagsabayin yung alam niyo na makapasyal kami. Hindi nga lang kasi in super pasyal lang ang balak. Pero at least nakakagawa din kami ng trabaho na o-offset din namin. Yung mga Koreans sa kasama namin, nakikita lang din daw nila to sa Instagram. Pero they haven't been here din daw. Pero ayun yung pwesto natin kanina sa taas. Nakabook na kami. Tinago lang agad ang cellphone at medyo malamig. Pero ang sayang maglakad-lakad dito. Siguro kung mas may time pa, hindi ako nakabook ng color analysis. Finally guys, makapag-color analysis na ako. Hindi ako napag-book noon, nakatambay kami dito, nakaupo lang. Kasi wala naman na talaga kaming, alam yun, balak pa na masyadong gawain. Mag-relax lang. Ito na yung time namin to relax, pero nilagyan pa din ng work. Balik kami dito with Alexei sa summer. Kasi may plano kami ni Jeloy about Alexei summer. As a parent, you can only get to spend, hindi nga 18 years with your kid for summer. So, kailangan everyday counts as well as every summer counts for core memories. Basta, may bala kami sa summer. Hopefully, magawa namin. Wow, saya pa sana mag-stay Jeloy, no?
Okay lang.
Balik na lang tayo with Alexei. kung tama itong pinuntahan namin. Third floor daw. See? Eh, kaya hindi siya kita sa baba kasi third floor. Hi. Hi. Hello. Sorry.
No, it's okay. First, can you fill out this reservation?
Gusto mo ba, Jerry? I-check kasi kung ano yung mga bagay na color sa'yo. Ano? Tapos nabigay ko siya sa loob. Hindi na lang may na-free na slot. Mahirap mag-book dito eh. Ako si Jelly, ayaw niya eh. Tingin na lang daw siya sa gagawin sa akin.
There's a step only, so you can use the step only. It's actually for like blush.
Yeah, blush. Yes, blush.
Yeah,
Blush.
and here is bare skin.
No, bare skin is here.
Okay, so I will check both of them. I will check here. So first, the covered skin L, 64.3 and 11.4 and 15.9. Okay, and if you don't mind, can I remove your...
Yeah. I just had a meeting earlier, so I can't come without...
no, it's okay. So, bare skin L, 63.0 and 12.0 and 15.6. Okay, and can you calculate B minus A?
B minus
Yeah,
A.
and you can write here.
Okay. May calculation pala. 3.6.
Okay, so first, Anna, L is the brightness of your skin.
Okay.
So when the score is getting more higher, it means very bright.
Okay.
And A is the redness, B is the yellowness that you have. So based on this value, actually you are also cool tone. Can you write cool?
Me?
Why, you thought warm?
Yeah, or neutral.
Yeah, kind of. I will explain it
Okay.
first. Cool.
Cool.
And both are winter season.
Okay.
Cool winter season.
Same thing for this one.
Yeah. But actually, it makes sense because 4.5, the score is more closer to neutral. But actually, your bare skin is really cool.
Oh.
Yeah, but why did you apply the cool blush? Because you thought you are warm, right? I think your blush color is definitely cool tone, no?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Tone. You got it right. But I just like the color.
I
just
just like the
Yeah.
colors. Okay, I think you've been using very well. But cool tone also has various tone and various color, so we will see it later.
Okay.
Okay. So, do you usually do makeup like this, Anna?
Yeah, because it's easy.
Just
Very quick.
easy. Okay, so first, when I see your skin, you have really good skin actually. Yeah, because skin tone is very even. So I don't think you have to, can you see this page? Because, so I don't recommend to use makeup base actually. You don't have to use it.
The color correcting ones.
Yeah, the color corrector kind of. And this is Korean foundation, Tear brand and Hera Dear Dahlia. So do you have any plan to buy Korean products?
Actually,
You
I
already
have
bought it, right?
Tear.
Alrighty. So which shade do you use?
I think 23N or 24. I think 24.
Oh.
Or 23N. I usually go for 23N.
Oh yeah, you've been using very well. I'm just about to tell 23.
Yeah, that's the one I have.
Yeah, for your skin type. Yeah. Oh yeah, you don't have to change it. Definitely neutral type. And because your bare skin is cool, but although your skin is cool tone, but I don't recommend the cool type because this is too pinky sometimes. Yeah. So neutral type is better for you. And 23 or 22, 24. You can test it around this shade, okay? Okay, so let's do color draping and please focus on your apple zone here when we do it.
Apples only. Okay.
Yeah, because this is very easy part to find the differences.
Okay.
Okay.
So do I have to remove my blush?
Is it okay?
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. This is winter dark tone. And please focus on your face, okay? With the color. And this is winter deep. So first, please focus on your face. 1 and 2. Can you see? 1 and 2. The first one is such better. This one makes your skin more brighter.
Right.
Can you see?
Yes.
And even actually. This is winter vivid. Oh. 1. Focus on your face, okay? 1 and 2. Can you see the differences?
Yeah.
Winter vivid is better. Can you see? Your skin tone looks very glowy. You look very healthy, lively, very bright. But when we compared with this one relatively looks a little bit dull. So your daily best tone is winter vivid. So use it with more colorful color.
Colorful.
Colorful. I think red color looks very good on you, right? Focus on your face, not the color, okay? So 1 and 2. Still yellow red is not bad, but it seems a little bit more yellow. So still I would pick the red colors. And this is yellow. Looks a little bit too strong, right? So we can skip. And this is green yellow. Green. And this is blue green. So can you see? All green color makes you washed out, right? So can you see? When we compared with red, 1 and 2.
Can you do it again?
Yeah, 1, 2. Your overall skin tone looks very pale. Can you see this blue and this blue? Yeah, can you see? This one looks better. But I highly recommend the purple color. How about you? Do you like purple color?
Maybe the lighter purples, but not as vivid as this one.
Oh, really? Can you see 1 and 2? Purple looks very natural. The balance is very nice. Yeah, still your skin tone looks very lively and bright. And this is red purple. Oh, still very nice. How about you? Do you like this kind of like hot pink?
I do have some clothes.
Oh, really?
This, but not so much.
Oh, really? I think this color makes you very bright as well, but not pale, right? Seems very healthy. And I think the balance is very nice with your image as well. Okay, so let me show you the best colors. Don't be surprised. This is your daily best colors. So you can take a selfie with this colors.
Oh, okay. Ito daw yung best colors ko.
So I totally understand it's a little bit difficult to use as a daily. So I just recommend using this color as a small accessories first. Like a belt or scarf, like as a pointed collar. Or socks like that, black and white. So first, 1 white color. Can you see it looks a little bit pale actually. A bit washes out because this is literally neutral color, so you are the person who suit with more colorful color, but achromatic color is not colorful, right? So it looks a little, can you see dark circles brings out more. So light gray looks better. Yeah, soft, right? You look very soft and smooth. And this is middle gray.
Yeah,
it's not bad. But I think this is a little bit dull. So still I think light gray, bright color looks good on you. And this is dark gray. Oh, you look very modern. And this is the final black. Yeah, so can you see? Black is better than white. You have white colors more?
mostly white.
Really? But actually this is really common color. So you can keep using white and black, whatever. But just keep in mind, can you see? This one looks a little bit washed out. So your skin looks a little bit darker. But can you see? Black is quite defined.
So between white and black, black suits me better.
Yeah, black is clear for you. Very obvious. And if you want to try gray, light gray.
Light gray.
I think all gray color you can use, I think. This is for your blush or eyeshadow, okay?
Blush or eyeshadow.
So first, one, spring and summer. So can you see spring is better? This is autumn. And all winter. Oh, interesting. When I consider your skin tone just only, this one's actually better. But when I consider your image as well, I think this is not bad. This is blonde and this is ash gray. Both are bleach color. But can you see? Both are too bright for you. So this is for just, you can do this colors for fun.
Yeah.
But actually with your image, it's a little bit unbalanced. Cool brown and warm brown. Definitely cool brown looks better, right? Although both are same tone, but this one seems more brighter, can you see? So still cool tone and warm tone. Cool brown, looks very nice. This one looks a little bit like dark circles, brings out more. Yeah.
Interested to know this one.
Oh, really? Which colors do you like?
I usually have rose gold.
Oh, really?
Yeah, rose gold. But I'm not sure if it's the most complementing color.
Rose gold is perfect for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank God, because all of my accessories mostly are rose gold. I only use white gold for
white gold.
Special occasions.
Can you see the differences? It's very clear.
So this one?
Yeah, this one is better.
Okay.
And this is champagne gold. It's a little bit lighter gold. So still it looks a little bit pale, but not bad. Better than silver. But can you see, I highly recommend the rose gold. Yeah, you look very feminine and your overall skin tone looks getting more livelier. When we compare it with silver, you can see.
Okay.
This one, like, you look a little bit grayish.
Later, I'm going to take a picture. So, mas bagay daw talaga sa akin yung colorful and high contrast. Oo, si Jelly. Nagre-react. Because my husband always tells me to dress more with colors. So that's why I always go for neutrals. I don't have to think which one goes together with whatever I want to wear.
Oh, yeah, I totally understand. Because neutral tone or like achromatic color is usually very easy color. Right?
Yes, yes.
So just mostly people pick like that color. But actually, when I see your skin tone, definitely colorful.
If I want my skin tone to look more lively and brighter.
Yeah.
Oh,
right.
okay,
and
okay.
especially this kind of red, purple, warm color. Because blue and green color made you a little bit pale. Winter Vivid.
Wow.
Can you see this one?
Oh my
Very
God.
vivid color.
I would never go for these colors if I were to choose the ones that I'll be wearing.
Yeah. So can you see?
That's what I told her to use before.
Oh, really?
I'm better at colors than her. And she doesn't believe me.
Yeah, kind of. Rose gold and gold colors for accessories. And yeah, black is better than white. And in case of gray color, I think you can use all colors. There's not much differences, okay? And this is for your hair color. So just keep your natural hair color. But if you want to dye your hair color, cool brown. So I think your hair color is more closer to here. So it's very nice for you. This is bleach, so I don't know. And I think you don't have to use makeup base as I told you because your skin tone is really even.
Makeup base that has color, like color correcting.
Yeah, kind of color, yeah. But just keep in mind, apricot color can cover the dark circles.
Okay.
So more deeper color looks good on you. But in case of deep color,
at nainip na si Boss G. Para hinintay niya lang yung vindication na tama siya. Saan na kaya ang person? Piling ko naglalakad. Ito. Ganyan yan, naglalakad-lakad siya. If you're wondering, dito tayo pumasok guys ha. Diyan sa pintuan na yan. Pero sobrang nashock ako dun sa result ko. Buti nilang ginawa ko to. Kasi every time magbubook ako sa kanila, it's either fully booked. But after, well, before pa pala ako pupunta dito, when I message them, ako nag-message guys ha. They asked me if it's magbabayad ako or collaboration. But I still choose to pay. Sabi nga ni Jelly, binigay na pala sa libre, bakit gusto mag-pay? It's just that, ayoko mag-recommend guys na hindi ko talaga sobrang gusto. So I don't want to be forced to put out content. Tapos hindi ako natuwa. In fairness, nakakatuwa kasi may na-discover akong kakaiba today. Pero, maigining dinouble check ko na para sa inyo. Ganun ko kayo kamahal. Willing to double check for you guys. Willing to pay. Okay naman yung service and may natutunan akong something new today. Ba't talaga nagpapahabol? Dire-diretso nga talaga siya. Hindi tumitigil. Hilig talaga nito maglakad. Sana all, diba? Ano ba itong sinusundan ko na tao? Oo, si Jello ito. Ay, naku, tingnan niyo. Uy, ayun o. Hinabol kita. Ang layo ng nilakad mo. Ha? Hindi pa nga ako nakikita. Huy! Hinahabol kita kanina pa.
Kaya sabihan mo pa akong baduy ako pumili.
Pero yun, bago ako lumabas, nagsabi sa akin si Sophie, yung nag-assist sa atin, if pwede daw ba akong i-message ng marketing nila. Kasi nga diba nung una, hindi ko naman dinig as sponsored. So pumunta talaga ako to really try out the service. Sabi ko yes, message lang nila ako. If may holiday party daw kasi sila, kung pwedeng ma-invite. Sabi ko message na ako kasi na sila ng DM. Mga gustong pasukan ni Boss G, talagang ano eh. Kala mo, ang laki ng katawan pag napaaway, ano eh. Tawa ka dyan. Ay, huwag kang ganyan. Hindi ko na nasabi kanina. But you can book online sa kanila. Lagi sila halos book talaga. And then, kanina lang, na nagtitingin ako, wala akong makitang slot. Bigla sila nag-post. As in, like 4 minutes after posting the story, may empty slot sila ng 4 PM. And I think tapos na kami sa meeting nun, kaya kinuha ko na. Buti na lang, nakakahapo. Bakit ba naman kasi pataas yung mga gusto ni Jelly? So, I have Gentle Monster glasses, pero lahat ay bigay. Hinahanap ko yung glasses, nasa taas pala. Ba, isa pa. Ang taas. Ang laki. Nandito lahat ng glasses. Ito yung isang binigay niya sa akin. Tinted blue. Tinted pala yung tawag dito. Ah, okay. That's pink, right? Yeah. Pink and this is brown. Yeah, okay. This is the blue. Okay, I need to try. Do you think the square is okay for my face shape? Or... Okay. Can you try this? Okay. You can check this. Yeah. But I think better in the mirror. Kasi naghahanap ako ng glasses na hindi super dark. Pero may tint. After LASIK, sobrang liwanag. Minsan nakakaano.
This one is pink. Medium size.
Makeup, sorry. This is bigger. Yeah, okay. This is pink.
I mean, I only talk about the size.
Ah, the size, okay.
Color is falls really good.
But this one is too big, the frame.
A little bit.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Ang bait naman na nag-assist sa akin. Nilabas na talaga lahat. Pero yung mga tinted usually they have brown, green, pinks, or violet, and then ito, blue. And after, they will give you this card. Sa baba mo siya i-claim. Baba na tayo. Napaka-tarit. Dahan-dahan na si tita. Hit. Yung sinasabi ko, sabi ko, ba't walang glasses? Wala sa second and third. Okay, ito tayo. Bigay ng number.
It's okay. Yeah, okay, I see.
It's kind of wide.
A little bit wide?
Yeah, a little bit wide.
Can I see? Try it? And then close to me. I see. Can I see your ears? That's so much. Oh, okay. Over there. I see. Take up. Make it really high.
Ang galing. Kasi dito nila ina-adjust mismo. Inihit yung glasses. Ayan o. Ayan. Kanina hindi nakafocus. Dito sa Hongdae kasi parang mga usually bagets kasi malapit sa university. Pero pwede ka mag-ubos ng oras dito. At tao din. Ba't hindi kasing tao ng Myeongdong? And Ang daming mga small shops. Pop-up ang tawag nila kahit pa shop siya na may sariling shop. Pop-up pa rin pala tawag nila doon. Looking for restaurant. Quick stop at Pop Mart, Sapagor. OMG, ito yung gusto ko yun sa gitna. Tsaka ito. Ito yung mga nasa wishlist ko na hindi ko nabili sa Thailand. Ito so fairly new. Ito matagal na. Pero yan. Tapos ito yung mga cloth. Ganda. Isa kong gusto ko, merong single, tapos may box. Kaya ako magtanong kung meron sila no 400%. Malamang wala din naman, pero gusto ko umasa. Ito lang ang damage. Nag-iisa, si Molly lang. Kasi ang merong 400% na tinanong ko, meron naman. Kaso Christmas edition, hindi ko gusto yun. At saka may isa pa Panda, yung parang fuzzy, hindi ko rin bet. Tapos sinanong ko kung kailan may schedule. Sorry, I don't know. Ganun naman talaga yun random yung pagre-restock nila. Pat ang naabutan namin sa counter, merong boxes of Labubu, have a seat. Pwede ko sanang kunin yun kasi meron naman na ako. Gahanap kami na restaurant, diba? Nakita niya to. Kaya dito na daw kami. Decided yan. Kanya nga ba talaga to Jeloy? Umodel lang siya. Ito ako sa likod. Yes. Food is ready. Tinabi na namin para hindi siya lumalamig habang kumakain kami.
Ano to, no?
Ha? Pwede na. Pwede na pang pwede yan. Tigilan akong kumain meron na daw akong grade sa accounting. So this time around, babayad ako ng tuition for school. So parang dati hindi naman ako sobrang, alam niyo, sobrang conscious sa grades. Pero pag ikaw na pala nagbabayad, mas conscious ka pala. At sabi niya, may grade pa daw. Sabi nung kaklase ko meron na, parang midterm grade pa lang, wala pang accounting.
Bilalobo sa baka di pa, baka nag-detect pa lang.
Baka, kasi letter M yun B ako Nasanay kasi ako lagi ako sa alphabetical. Nauna ako lagi mag-recite, pag letter B na pala ako, hindi letter C. Happy naman ang anak ko. Are you okay? Yes. Eat ka na? Kung busy ka, iPad ang saya niya, no? Wala nagko-control ng iPad mo. Wala si Mami. Walang control sa iPad. Dahil niyaan talaga namin na
Pwede siya ngayon.
iPad kasi wala. Pili tayo ng dessert. Naglagay talaga ako ng space sa tiyan ko para dyan. Parang okay tong fresh cream soft chiffon or red velvet. Siguro hot sa akin. Pero parang ang sarap din mag-ice kahit malamig, no? Siguro respond ako sa mga comments ninyo. First vlog guys. Ito yung sa'yo iced tea. And then, share na kami ni Jeloy. Sabihin ko sana, ito na ako pagkabi. Sabihin ko lang pa yung kape ko. Kakape ako kasi mag-i-edit ako pag-uwi. So guys, nandito na tayo sa hotel and I will be ending, hindi pala ako kita. I will be ending this vlog. Parang hindi naman kami, buong araw ba tayo nasa labas? Hindi naman di ba? Kasi tanghali na tayo lumabas. Pero marami kaming na-accomplish. Nakapagpasyal, para sa amin marami na yun nasa edad na ganito guys. Asahan nyo yan, yung energy ko nung 20s ako nung nag-vlog mas ako, hindi na siya like same yung energy ngayon.
Alam mo naman, tanda na natin.
Pero ako talagang grabe. May dala akong laptop noon. Meron din akong dalang, ano bang tawag dito? SLR. Pero wala. Hindi ko iniinda yung, Diyos ko. Abot pa akong probinsya. Dala-dala yung, ano ko na wala yung dito. Dala yung backpack na LV na may laptop na 16-inch and may SLR. Pero guys, wala lang yung sa akin. Doon yung mga vet para sa injection ng mga aso and pusa. Kausap ni Jeloy ang mga tao sa bahay. Si Alexi naririnig ko. Time to transfer vlog. Para bukas fresh. Bago natin tapusin.
Sige. Basta ano po safe yung sa pusa na pagsabayan. Tama ba?
Oo, safe. Yung purga naman kuya, ano yun, iniinom nila po.
Sige. So magkano daw na? 5-4?
5-4 po.
Plus 500 sa'yo ining. Gusto mo? Ikaw din? Paturo ka na.
Marahin ko na lang.
Ayaw mo sumabay sa turok? Dok, pakiturok na nga po yung may hawak ng cellphone. Pati naman Alexei. Tanong ining. Alexei! Look at mami oh. Anak, mamalo.
Pinapalo niya yung balon niya kay ate. Loko talaga.
Ay, si Troy pala yun.
Troy.
Dito ata tutulog si Troy.
Okay.
Sige, go. Troy, order kayo ng pagkain. Sige. Alexei!
Dada.
Masyado ko dito si Tito Troy.
Kuya, yung aso daw po, papupurgahin pa.
Sige, go. Purgahin nyo na.
Purgahin din?
Oo.
Sino doon?
Lahat na, para-
Si Trish ba? Yung
Bagong
bata?
aso. Aspin yun na kinuha namin for the warehouse din.
Siguro.
Lahat na nang nasa bahay, pwedeng magpapurga na
Next time
tayo.
na nga lang siguro.
Alright guys, I will be calling it a night. Pero hindi pa pala, mag-edit pa pala ako. Ano ba sasabihin ko?
7 days.
7 days pa rin. 7 days lang daw ako mag-vlog mas. Tama ba? Tingnan na lang natin. But again, I will not be forcing myself. Basta, kung kaya ko, gagawin ko. Kung hindi, I know you guys will understand. But I'm going to try my best to upload as much as possible. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you on my next videos. Bye-bye!